What's going on, Pyros? Jake the Snake Pyro coming at you with a demo. Tonight we have Alien Eggs by Planet X Fireworks. 12 assorted effects. Alien Eggs. Just to show you, I got these in a milk crate rack, but they're oddly shaped. Kind of like Windows Outclass ball shell, but see how they do. Okay, Alien Eggs, Planet X Fireworks. Whew, out of breath. Here they go. Very nice. Nice breaks. Yeah, really nice stuff. If you can find them, I would definitely recommend picking them up. Peace out. Please like, subscribe, share. And if not, who cares?